Hi guys, what's up? It's kind of brief here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. First of all, you're going to go open Chrome on the bottom of the taskbar. On the top right corner, just a bunch of dots. Click on those dots, click on account. Okay, then you can click sign in. If you don't have an account already, click create account. Myself. Now the first tab, you're going to type in your first name. So I'm going to type in my first name here, my last name, and the username I want. Username has to be something that a different user didn't take already. Then you're going to type in password. Password is something that should be easy to remember, but hard for others to guess. You could do your home address, but it's better if you could just remember a random phrase and do it that way. But if you can't remember passwords easily, do your home address. So I'm going to type in my password here. And then click next. Okay, you can type in, if you want your phone number, your cell phone, that you can recover your account. When they send you, if you get locked out of your account, they send you a text and you can recover your account. Put in your phone number. If you want an email instead, you could do your email, or you could do both. So I'm going to do my email because I don't want my phone, someone to take my phone and get my Google account. Then you can do your birthday, month, type in 2 digits of the day and 4 digits for the year, and then your gender. And then click next. Go read. If you want to read it, you could, but as long as you don't violate the policies, they'll let you have your account. So click I agree. And if you don't want your password saved on the computer, click never. And there you are. I'm in my Google account. Then from there you can go to Gmail. I'm not sure if Gmail is going to work. Let me try. Yes, Gmail looks like it is working. You can have Gmail with a Google account. You have Gmail. You can save places on maps. You could save videos on YouTube. You can have contacts, files, Drive, 50 gigabytes. You have photos, calendar, all these cool stuff. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share with all your friends. Share on all social media. The only way I can keep making these videos if you do that. If you want to let me know anything, leave in the comment section below. If you want to see other videos like this, other tutorials on how to do things, please leave a note. Please leave a comment in the discussion bar on my channel. And if you want, you can follow me on my social media, get my updates and what I'm doing. Links are in the about section of my channel. I have Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. If you want to let me know anything, you can DM me on those places. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.